Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 21 how to send an IG story via direct message on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, download it from the App Store, and now we can go to the iPhone and then go to Instagram, click on the application itself, and now we need to have an IG story posted to the account. If we do not, we can simply click the profile photo and then post an IG story. Use a couple of text messages on screen. Hello, this is an IG story, and we can then send to your story and your client you wish to send to. Done. We can also send the story itself. Click on more and then send to your chosen client. Send. So now if we go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself, grids, go to your DMs, and now we see the story on screen. Go back to the DMs, click the IG story again, and this is what I posted to my computer science videos account, sent as a message via the DMs. Quit grids. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.